Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Kibo Commerce account. Follow these steps to enable it effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Kibo Commerce account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to prevent unauthorized access. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. You may be prompted to verify your identity again. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be presented with different methods for receiving your authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm your setup. Finally, save your changes to ensure that two-factor authentication is enabled. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Kibo Commerce account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication methods secure and accessible.